And then, once he's there, there's a certain model in medical world where we just got to get these people under control. And we're going to give them these drugs and these medicines. And again, sometimes that's needed, but it's like but sometimes you have to at least try and talk to the person to see where they're coming from before you have to sort of go to that level if you can. And so in this particular case, I went in there. I started to talk to him. First of all, he was surprised to see a black person talking to him. He had never seen a black doctor. He'd interacted with psychiatrists before, of course, and he had never seen one who's black. He started talking about this and that. But we kind of got to the meat of what was going on with him, and he was, I could sense that a lot of his struggles were a sense of like losing control, which is something we all struggle with, right? He was losing control of his surroundings, his situation, and of course, his reaction was exaggerated, as I say, and that's certainly true with people with some people who have suffered mental health problems, like this guy did. So again, he's psychotic on this one level, but it's not like it wasn't based on something that was real to begin with. Because he said, I do need something. This is, thanks for kind of talking to me. So I think it was just that ability to sort of sit down with him as a human to human and talk with him, because, yeah, you could have given him the medicine by needle, but there's a certain, think about it, right? And so that's sort of how I try to just sort of, diffuse the situation and make something better for him. And